Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So first I just want to say thank you so much to Aishu of Aishu's Crafty Kids Club for having me on this amazing collaboration over 3 days. And yesterday was the first day, so if you missed anyone from there, please go back and watch. They're amazing. And the same for anyone today or tomorrow. I want to say thank you to Royal River Art, my dear friend Michelle, for the introduction. And after me, you have Kathy from Grandma Kathy's Art Venture, another dear amazing friend of mine and creator. If you missed anybody in this club, please go back and watch. I want to first off say that I've been crazy lately, so I didn't have a whole lot of time to do this painting, but so I did a beach theme and I did a beach swipe. So I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you stay for the rest of the collab. I'm just going to play some music for you guys and let you watch. Alright guys, I'm just going to wipe this bottom off and bring you down for a close-up. Alright guys, here she is with the light on. With the close-up you can really see how pretty she really is. I really think she turned out super cool. So don't forget, up next is Grandma Kathy's art venture, so don't miss it. If you missed anyone, like I said before me, please go back and watch. And thank you again, everyone, for being here and watching and supporting us. If you miss anybody, please go back, and don't forget we have more after me, and we have another day tomorrow. So thanks guys, love you all, have a great day or great night. Bye.